Come paint with me in Scotland, September 7th to the 14th in 2026. I'm going back to Scotland. Yes, I had an amazing time. I was there this year. I'm partnering up with Uptrek again. This is my last available retreat in 2026. We had such an amazing time here in the venue in Scotland. I went to Edinburgh first and got picked up and went to our area, which is the venue, which is like right outside of Stirling. We went to Stirling Castle. We went to Loch Lomond. We saw this. We went to Wallace Monument. The studio is fantastic. Remember having. Would you like to have fresh baked scones daily? Yeah, we had an amazing time. Everyone painted wonderfully. You're learning all kinds of techniques with me, and this is your opportunity to get a real one-on-one time with me because, you know, you're with me like for 7 days, morning, noon, and night. Lots of one-on-one time. Lots of great ways to learn how to paint watercolor, make some new friends, see some sights, just get away from your everyday life, do something different, and have a great time at it. The watercolor retreats are just a really, I can't explain it, it's just a great way to really envelop yourself into watercolor, meeting creative mind people, doing all the good things. We had, like I said, such a fun time here in Scotland. So many laughs, so many great memories. And as I stated before, this is my last available retreat in 2026. Nothing will be available until 2027. So this is your opportunity to come to like a great place and paint with me for a week. Like I said, you're getting lots of one-on-one time that you don't normally get in a workshop or even a class. So many laughs at this venue. Check out this scotch tasting, too funny.
Again, on the bonny, bonny banks of Loch Lomond. Cheers. I didn't even know that song.
Like I said, lots of laughs. Check out this little guy. Hi, Barney. Yeah. Hi.
Hi, baby.
That's Wilbur. No, let's see.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Wilbur and Charlotte.
Hello. Wasn't that guy just the funniest? Lots of cute animals around the property. You could walk down the street and you see all kinds of cows and sheep. We did some plein air. We went painting the studio. You know, of course, if it's raining, we're painting in the studio. And painting all kinds of scenes that are from Scotland. We have a little gallery at the end, little party at night. Have a little fiddler player. Last night we were there. Super fun, little Scottish dancing. I mean, this is just an overall fantastic time. It's a great group of people that I had. And this is your opportunity to come and paint with me. Like I said, nothing but fun. Nothing but fun getting away from your everyday stressful life, if you're stressful life, or just want to go to Scotland and learn how to paint watercolor with me for a week. So as I stated before, any questions you have about this retreat and the venue, etc., please reach out to Uptrek. We had such a phenomenal time. Look at this fiddler play. We had the fiddler play the last night. Everyone was dancing, laughing. Super fun. Such a great group, such a great venue, such a great time. I'm looking forward to going back to Scotland, and I hope you would like to come too and paint with me. So, like I said, click the link below if you want to come, and take care. Hope to see you soon.